So hi everyone, welcome to the DataGen channel. So today we will complete our final part or the last part of this Netflix data analysis project. So till 12 we have covered the questions and we have seen that what type of questions are there. We have solved each and every part. I also explained each and everything. So in this video we will cover these remaining questions from 13 to 21. After this, once this will complete, I will bring one more project related to the Power BI, because in the last video I have seen one of my subscriber asked the question how we can see this visualization, this Netflix dataset in the visualization. So here I am showing you by writing the query. With the help of SQL I am writing the query and we are analyzing the data. Same thing, how we can understand the data through the visualization part. So in the upcoming project I will explain you through the Power BI. So let's start the class. So our first question is that group the record by year and count the number of movies and TV show added in each year. So here we need to perform the group by. Okay. So before answering to this question, what I will do, I will come into this my file, and first of all, I need to connect with my database. So first I need to connect with my database. So I will select this one and I will execute this code. Now I have connected with my database. Then I will see how many tables are available. So only one table is available in this database. And then what are the records we have in this table? So these are the complete records we have in this table. So show ID, title, director, cast, we have country, date added, released year, then rating, duration, category of movies, and the description of the movies and the type of shows. So here we have the first question for today class. So group the record by year and content the number of movies or TV show added in each year. So this question, what it is saying that we need to group the records by year. In the question itself, it is saying that we need to group the records by year and count the number of movies added in each year. So here what we need to perform? We need to perform the group by based on the released year. Okay. So here I will write select released year, comma, then count star as content count. So this I'm giving as the alias name, because if I will not give alias name, then at the result, the column name will display as a content star. I don't want to display the column name as a content star. So for this, whatever the result will come, for that I will give the column name as alias name as a content count. Okay. Then from Netflix dataset, Netflix dataset, and then here I will perform the group by released year. Okay, released here, and then I will execute this query. So when I will execute the query, you can see here what it is doing. So when you are performing the group by the released year, so what it will do, all the 2019 data it will keep in one place, all the 2000 data it will keep in one place, all the 2017 data, 2016 data it will keep on one place. Once it will keep all the group data in one place, okay, released year wise group data. So then after that it will perform the count. So first it performed what grouping. So all the 2019 data it will keep on one place, and then it will perform the count on that. So in 2019 total this much of content got released in all the country. Then again in 2019 this much of content got released in the all the countries. Okay, here countries can be anything. It can be India, South Africa, US, anything. Okay, now if you see here, here we got the result, but this result in not in a proper ordering. If you see here 2019 is there, then 2018, then 16 is coming here, then 2017, then 2001 is coming, then 2008 is coming. I want to sort this year in descending order. So first 2020 data will come, because in this the latest year, we have 2020. So first 2020 come, then 2019, then 2018, then 2017, 16, 15, like that. Okay. So here I need to sort this result in descending order based on the released year. So here I will write order by released year, and in descending order. Now when you execute this code, so this is the result in the descending order. So 2020 first, content how much released? One. Then in 2019, this much of content got released. Then in 2020 to 18, this much of content released. Then 2017, this much of content got released. So if you see this year in the descending order format, so this is the result for this. The next question we have, find each year and the average number of content released in India on Netflix. So here it is saying that they want the average number of content released in India, only in India. So again, here we need to perform the group by based on the year. So first of all, I will perform the grouping based on the released year. So I will write select released year. Then I will write here count star as content count. Then from Netflix dataset. Then here the question is, it is saying that the content released in India. So content released in India. So here I need to write where country equal to India. So only the India data you will get here. So you are filtering here. So it will give you only the India data. Now, once you will get the India data, on top of that, you need to perform the grouping based on the released year. So in India, in 2019, how many data got, how many content got released? In India, in 2018, how many content got released, like that. Okay. Then again, here I need to perform group by released year. The released year. Now, when you will execute this code, you will get the output like this. So in 2018, 54 content got released in India. In 2016, again 66 content got released in India. So these are the content released with respect to its year in only in India. Again, here it is not in a correct ordering format. So what I will do, I will ordering this one. So order by, so either I can order by, here I can give the column name. So this column name in the select query, it is written in the first position. So either I can use this column name here to perform the grouping, sorry, not grouping, order, and I will write here description, means this means descending order. So first 2019 come, then 2018, 17, 16, 15, 14, like this. So either you can use here the column name on which column you need to perform the ordering, or you can also use the position of the column. So in this select query, what is the position of released year? First position, right? Because you have mentioned the released year on the first year, so first position. So you can write here one. So this will also give you the same data. So either you can perform the ordering based on the column name, or the based on the position of the column which you mentioned in the select query. Okay. I hope you understand this one. So as of now, I will keep here released year only. Now, this will give me the data of on the released, means in 2019, this much of content got released. In 2018, this much of content got released. So these are the count, but I want to find the average number of content released. So what I will do, this complete query, I will convert this result. So this query will giving me this result, right? Again, this result in the tabular format. So this result I will make as a table. So here I will keep this one as a table format. Here I will say this table alias name I will give as year data. Okay. And then here I will write select released year, comma, average. On which column I need to perform the average? On this column. On this column. Okay. I need to perform the average, and I need to write from. Why? Because I made this result as the table. Okay. And then here I will write again group by. Group by released year. Now execute this one. So this is the average content for every year released in India. So in 2019, this much of average content released in India. In 2018, this much of average content released in India. In 2019, this much of content, average content released in India. So this is your final result for this question. Okay. The next question we have, identify the top three most common genre in the data set. So if you come into this data set, this category of movie, right? This category of movie is our genre. Okay. So like these are the genres. Like genre means nothing but that movies is, whether it's a comedy or TV show, or whether it's a romantic movie, or whether it's a documentaries and all those things. So for that we need to again perform the grouping. First we need to perform the grouping based on the genre. So all the documentary movies it will keep in one place, all the comedy movie it will keep in one place, all the romantic movie it will keep in one place, all the TV shows it will keep in one place, and then we will perform the count on that. Okay. So first here again we need to write select, and what is the column name for this? In our data set, genre column name is what? Category of movies, right? Categories of movies. So here I will write category of movie. Okay, category of movie, and this I will give alias name as genre. Okay, alias name as genre. Then count star from table name. So Netflix dataset, Netflix dataset, and then group by. So group by I need to perform based on this category of movies. So this category of movies I have given alias name as genre. So I will write here genre. So execute this one. So if you see here, these are the genre wise total count. So international TV shows, this much of content is there. Then documentaries, international movies, this much of is there. Then comedy, drama, international 157. Then again dramas, independent movies, this much of content is there. Again kids TV, this much of content is there. Again comedies, international thrillers, this much of content is there. Okay. So here the question is, identify the top three most common genre in the dataset. Here this much of record we don't want. It want only the top three. So to see that top three, first of all, what we need to do, we need to order this one in a proper way. Ordering in the count wise means which. So let's say here 238 is there. So 238 is the highest one. So it should come first. So we will order based on this count of the records. So here what I will do, I will write order by, and this content name I will give as content star, as column alias name I will give as content count. Okay. And then I will perform the ordering based on this column in the descending order. So now when you will execute this code, see here, the documentary will come at the first, and total record is 297. So first 297 is coming, then 265, 238, 170, 157. So we have sorting this result based on the content count. So whichever the content is highest, that will come on the first position, then second position, third position, third position. Now from this result, we want only the top three. So what I will do, I will write here limit three. If you want to perform the same thing in the SQL server, you need to write top three. Okay. But in MySQL, you need to write limit three. So it will give you the top three records. So if we execute this one, only this top three records we have. So documentaries 297, stand-up comedy 265, dramas and international, this much of content is there. So these are the top three most common genre in the data set. Okay. The next question we have, identify the most active month for adding movies or TV show by count. So here we need to perform again the month wise. Month wise we need to perform the grouping, but the question is, if you come into this data set, there is a date added is there, right? So here it is asking, identify the most active month for adding the movies and the TV show. So this is our column date added. So this date added column is means on which date the movie or TV show got added in the Netflix. But again, this date added is in the string format. So first I need to convert this string format date into the date format. So for that, what I will do, I will write here like this. Select string to date. Okay. And in this, I will pass here this column, date added column. And in this date added column, I will say, so here I'm converting string to date. So this date added right now in string format. Okay, string format. I want to convert into the date format. For that, you need to write this string to date function. So this string to date function, what it will do, it will convert this string data into the date format. So here, in which format I want the date? Here I'm saying month m, then small d, and comma, then year. So in this format, give me the date. Okay. And then here I will write as month. Here I'm just writing a month date. I'm just giving the alias name for this, whatever the result will come, right? So that result, so if you will execute this query, then what will happen? This complete thing will come display as a column name. I don't want to display as a column name. I want to display column name, this one, month date. So that's why I've given the alias name for this result. Okay. And then here I will write from Netflix, Netflix data set, and execute this one. So see here, now the date got, our string data got converted into the date format. So in original, if you come here, the date added in which format? July 30, 2019. So this July is a categorical data, means it is a string format, right? So we have converted into this format in the month format, means in the date format. So this is in the date format. There is no July, right? So 2019, 11 month, and this is the day, year, month, and day format. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write here group by, and I need to perform the group by based on the month. So first of all, here it is giving me the date. From this date, I want to fetch only the month. Remove this group by. First, from this date, I want to fetch only the month. So again, what I will do, I will call the month function, and I will apply this month function on this result, and this will give me only the month. See here, only the month it is giving. So this 11 month, it can be from any year. Here, year is not mentioned. It just told that identify the most active month. Okay. It is not saying that active month of each year. Here, year is not mentioned. So these are the month. It can be from every year. It can be from 2019, 2020, 2013, 14. So this month are irrespective of year. Okay. This month can be from any year. Then again, we have other year, other month also we have something called 10 year, 10 month. On this 10 month, right? So this 10 month can be from any year. Okay. So now we have fetched the month data. Then I will write here group by. So this is my, it will fetch me the month, right? And this result, whatever the, let's say if I will remove this alias name, so see here how the data will display. If I will execute this one, so here the column name is displaying like this. So I need to give, so whatever you have mentioned here, right? Whatever the operation you are performing, same column name coming here also. I don't want this column name. I want to make column name as like this, as month. Now execute this one. So here month is coming. Now month is there. Now I need to write count star, and I will give alias name for this count content, and then group by. So group by, I need to perform the month wise. So here see all the 11-year data is there. So this group by, whenever I will perform group by month. Okay. So this result, right? So this result is alias name as month. So based on this month, we are performing the grouping. So all what it will do, grouping, what will do, it will take all the 11 month data in one place, all the 12 month data in one place, all the 10-month data in one place, and then it will perform the count on that. Okay, count. So all it will count all the 11th month data. So how many records are available related to the 11, all the, then again how many records are available in 10 month, how many records are available for the 12 month, like that. Now execute this query. So here if you see, on 11th month these many content got added, and on 10th month this many content got added, and then again ninth month this many content got added, again on 8th month this many content got added. So here we have all the month 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, but this null value is coming extra. What is this null value? This null value is not required here because we have all the month is given here. There is no missing month is there. All the month we have, right? So here the question is, identify the most active month for adding movies. We need to find that one month where on that month most of the movies or TV show got added. So here if you'll see, here these are the content, right? 544, 580, 642. So we need to first sorting this result based on the content count. So I will sort this one order by content count in descending order. Okay, descending order. Now when you execute this code, so now if you see, it is sorting in the descending order. So first 642 is there, then 580, then 544, then 504, 454. So now here we have sorted the value in the descending order based on this content count content. But the question is again, here null value is coming. This null value is not related to any month. Okay, so these are, we have already, we have month is there. Okay, all the months are available, so there is no missing month is there. Now how here, if you see, even if you will write here limit 1, so if you execute, it will show your null, the month is null and 642 content got added. So on which month this movies got added, we don't know. So this null value is not required for us. So what I will do, I will, whatever the result it is give, right? So this result it will give. So I need to remove this null value. So what I will do, I will write here again, I will make this complete result as a table, and then here I will write select star from where. So this is my result. Okay, this is my result, and this I'm making as the table, and from this table I'm fetching select star, means give me all the columns from this table where month is not null. Okay, and then execute this query. So it is throwing error. Every delivered table must have its own alias. Okay, so what I need to do here, okay, so this, okay, why I'm getting the error, because when I've created this as a table, I need to give here alias name. So I will write here as result data, and now execute this one. So now we are getting the data. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting the data. There is no null values there. Null value got removed. So now here we want the that month where the most movies got added. So if you see here, 580 was the first position. Why? Because the movie, this 580 is the maximum number, right? So 580, then 544, 504, 454. So we are here, we have sorted, right, in descending order. So on 10th month, most of the movies or TV show got added. So from this result, we want only the that one particular month where the most of the movies or TV show got added. So here what I will do, I will write here limit 1. Now execute this one. It will give you only this particular month where most of the movies or TV show got added. Okay, so this is our final query for this question. Identify the most active month for adding TV series, TV show by count. Okay, so these are the questions we have performed. Okay, these are the questions. Now the next question is, we have this one. Again, we need to come here and This is the question, increase the size of it. Now here, what is the question? The question is compare the number of movies and TV show added before and after 2015. So here what I need to do, I need to perform here, okay, that if else condition means I need to use here case. Okay. So case in query, there is something called case. Okay. So this case is nothing but if else condition. Okay. Based on the condition, we need to fetch the data. So here what I will do, I will write here select case. So here I will write select case when released year less than 2015, then before 2015 as a result, and else after 2015. Okay. So here you need to write the case. When released year is less than 2015, it will come as before 2015. So whichever the movies got released less than 2015, so that we will display as the before 2015. Else, if released year is greater than 2015, then we are saying that those movie released after 2015. And here I will write end this case end as period. Now I need to perform, then here I need to write comma. Then we will see, compare the number of movies and TV shows added before and after 2050. So we need to compare the movie and the TV shows which added before 2015 and after 2015. So here type of the movies we have, right? Type of show we have, right? So here I will write type of show, type of show. And here I will write from Netflix dataset. Dataset. Now let's execute this query. So when we select this record, right? So you will get the data like this. So period. So okay. So here one period column will come. This will tell you after 25, and these are the after 25, and there are data related to before 25. Okay. So after 25, this TV show released, then your movie, these are the movies got released. Okay. Then TV show and movie. Okay. Before 2020, 2015 movie. And then these are your after 2015 data we have. So our question is that compare the number of movies and number of TV shows added before and after 2015. So here we have fetched the period and the type of show. So here, if you see, these are the period means after 2015 records and 2000 before 2015 records. So with the help of case, we have find this one. So in case what we are done case when released year is less than 15, this condition we have given. So whatever the released year we have which is less than 2015, then for that record it will display before 2015. And if any released year, let's say 2019, 2017, 2018, for that record it will display after 15. And end, here your case is end, and then for this complete result we have given the alias name as period. That's why here period is coming. Then here we are showing the type of show. These are the type of show. So here we need to compare the number of movies and TV show added before and after. So again here what we need to do, here we need to perform again group by. So here I will write count of star as count, and then in group by what I will do, I will write group by. So here two columns we are using. One is period column, another is type show. So in group by also we need to use two column. One is period, comma, then type of show. So here we are doing the grouping based on the period, and the type of show. So wherever the after 15 and TV show will be there, it will take all those records and group together. Wherever the after 2015 movie will be there, it will group together, and then after that it will perform the count. So now when I will execute this one, so we will get the result something like this. So after 2015, okay, and this is the TV show. How much count we have? 1484. After 2020, 2015, this is the movie and the total record for this group. So here group is your after 2015 and movie. This is one group. And for this total count is 2567. This is one group after 2015 and TV show. This is one group. For this group, we have 1484 record. And this is your one group. Before 2015 movie, this is your total records. And before 2015 TV show, this is the your total record. So this is the result for this. So by using this result, you can compare, right? That number of movies and TV show added before and after 2015. Okay. So after 2015, this is the TV shows. So these are the records we have. So like this, we can compare here. So this is the output for this question. Okay. So the next question, what we have, retrieve all the data. So here I will fetch this one, and here I will write this one, increase the size. Retrieve all the movies, TV show that were added in the last 6 months. In the last 6 months. So here what I'll do, I will write select star from Netflix dataset. Okay, Netflix dataset. And here, first of all, I need to, here, what is the question? Retrieve all the movies and TV shows that were added in the last 6 months. So here, which column we have? We have here this date added column. On this date, movies got added. Right now, this is in string format. So again, here we need to convert into date format. So I will write here str to date. So here I need to write where clause, where, and then I will convert this into the date format, date added, comma, I need to convert into the date format, right? In which format I will write here M D, comma, Y format. Okay. So give me in this format, date format. So if I will execute this one, so this will give me this record where this okay. So this will return me the date format, right? Here date format. Okay, I have not written the proper way. 1 minute. So this is the date format, and this in this date format, what I want, I will write here like this: greater than equal to. Then I will write here date sub. Okay, date sub, and then here I will write current date, current date, comma, interval 6 months. Okay, so here this will give me the date. That date should be greater than equal to date subtraction means. So right now we have the current date. So current date will give me the today's date. Okay, so today's date interval 6 months. So this will give you the. So let's see what data we will get here. So if I will write here select, and if I will place here, and I will execute this one, we'll see what date we are getting. We are getting 2004 minus 6. So right now we have 2012, right? December. It is giving the 2024 06/22. So right now today's date is your 2024 12 December 22. So today is 22 date, right? So this date sub, what it will do? It will do the subtraction between the current date minus 6 month before. Okay, so if you want to subtract that one, so current date, it will give you the interval of 6 months. Means interval of 6 months means So it will give you the last 6 month. Okay, last 6 month means current date minus 6 month. Okay, so here what we are doing here, current date 2024 12 minus sorry 2024 12 22 22 minus 6. Okay, minus 6. So it will give you the, after from that date it will do the 6 month back, it will give you the data if you do this one. Okay, so that's why here we are getting the 6 month back data. So for that you need to write this function, date subtraction function. You need to give the current date, and if you want the interval of 6 months, so it will give you the 6 month back data. If you write here 7 month, okay, 7, so it will, this will give you the 7 month back data. Sure. So see here, 7 month back data you are getting. So 2024 05 sorry 2024 12th December, if you subtract month, right, minus 7 month, right, so it will come your what May, right? So 7 month back month, what it will come if you will subtract from the month, so 12th month minus 7, May will come, right? 05th May. So here if you'll write here, let's say 8, so this will give you the 8 month back date. So this will give you 8 month back date. Okay. So here that same thing we are doing. So this will give you, here I will write 6. If you execute this one, so this will give you 2024 06 22, means right now current date we have 2024 12 22 minus 6 month back. Okay. So this is the date 2024 06 minus 2. And here we are saying whatever the date, this will give you the date, right? So this here, from here we are fetching the we are converting the into the date format. So that date should be greater than this one, greater than or equal to, right? That was here retrieve all the movies that were added in the last 6 months. So those dates should be greater than equal to the 6 month, this 6 month. Okay. So this is the 6 month data, last 6 month means 6 month data, previous 6 month data. So your, it will, this date should be greater than this one, because right now 2002 2024 to December is going in, right? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. July is your 6th month date. So after July month, whatever the movies got added, we want that one. So this will give you that record. So there is no movies which is released in the last 6 month. Okay, there is no data is there, there is no TV shows are there which is released in the last 6 months. So let me write here 8 month, we'll see any data is there, no data is there. If I will write here 10, no data is there, because why we are not getting the data? Because in our data set, the last or the latest year we have 2020, right? So right now 2024 is running, right? So even if you write here last 6 month, so it will give you the 2024 July date, right? So after July there is no data only there, so that's why you will get here empty, so no records are there. Okay, so no records are available. So this is the question answer for this question. The next we have, find the average duration of all, is the size of it. Now here what is the question? Find the average duration of all movies. Okay, average duration of all the movies. So here what I need to do, first of all, if we come into the duration column, so in the duration column we have the season, and we have also in the minute. These are the season we have. Okay, so we have season, here we have minutes also. So this minutes means these are the movies, and season means those are the TV show. The question is what? Find the average duration of movies, right? So here from this duration we need to, first we need to what we have to do, we need to convert this duration into the minutes. We need to convert this duration into the minute. First of all, what we'll do, wherever the minutes are there, here minute is written, right? So here 99 is the number and min minute is your in the categorical format. So first we need to replace this minute with the blank space so that we will get only the numerical format. So what I will do here, I will write like this. Select, I will write here replace duration wherever the space minute is there, replace with the blank space. Okay. And from Netflix dataset. So execute this one, you will get the data like this. Okay, it's not replaced. What is the column name? Let me check the column name duration. Okay, this is correct only. Replace duration wherever the minute is there. So I will write here a small case. Minute. Okay. So now execute this code. So see here, this season we need to neglect this one. Okay, neglect this one. So just now see this number. There is no minute is there. So minute wherever the minute was there. So if I will write here, select duration from Netflix duration. So I am getting okay. I have given the wrong call table name data set. Execute this one. So see here, okay, again it executes this one. Okay, so now see here, there is a 67 minute, 106 minute, 105 minute. So from here, first I need to replace this space minute. So that's why I have written replace in duration column, wherever the space minute is there, replace with the empty string. So then we are getting this data. So now wherever the space minute was there, we are replacing that one. Now we have done this one. Now here we are getting the numbers. We need to convert this number. Okay, we need to convert this number into the numerical format. So first what I need to do, I need to do the type casting. Cast. So this cast function, what it will do, it will convert the numerical value. Okay, whatever the value will be there, it will convert that value into the numerical format. So in whatever the result you are getting here, whatever the result you are getting, this cast function will convert those data into the integer format. I want the integer format. So for that here, I will write unsigned. So unsigned, what it will do, unsigned. I think I have given wrong as alias name. Okay. So this unsigned, what will do, it will convert all this value into the numerical format. So execute this one. So these all are the now in numerical format. Okay, in the numerical format. Okay, so here you are getting the number, but here one, two, this one, two is nothing but it is your season, right? This is not a movies related. So this one, two, these are the series data. It means TV series information is there. This 67, 135, these are the movies we have. So here I will write where type or not type. What is the column name we have here? Type of show. So here I will write where type of show like movie. Movie. So first, what will happen? This here you have written the where clause, that where type of show movie, because you need only movies. So first it will fetch only the movies record. Okay, first it will fetch only the movies record. So let me replace this one, and here I will write first a star. So if you see, it is giving you only the movies record. See movies, 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 and here if you see the durations, the season is not there because we are in the filter. We have filter out those TV shows. We are fetching only the movies. And in the movies, duration is 67 minute, 135 minute. That we are now. So first we are getting this data. Okay. We are getting this data. this duration. Okay, if you see in the duration, we are getting this result. Only the movies related duration it is displaying here. On top of this, we are doing this one. So wherever the minute is there, replace with that in empty string and then convert that number into the unassigned. Unsigned means it will convert that number into the integer format. So now when you will execute this one, it will give you, these are the movies duration is there, and here it is saying average of it. So you just write here average average function is there, and here you need to make it close the bracket. Now execute this one. So these are the average. Okay, 98.08. So what is the average of all the movies duration? The average is 98.02. That means 98 minute. That means 1 hour 38 minute. The average movies duration is there. So this is the result for that record. Okay. The next question, we have these two records. So find the top 10 actor who appeared in the highest number of movies produced in India. Second, categories content based on the presence of kill and violence keyword. So these two will be your task. Okay. So till here I have covered all the scenarios, whatever the possible scenarios are there, I have covered that one. So now two question is left. One is your this one, find the top 10 actor who appeared in the highest number of movies produced in India. Second category is content based on the presence of kill and violence keyword there. So these two question I am not explaining because this two is the task for you. So you need to execute this one and return the result for this question and write in the comment what will be the query for these two questions. So this will be task for you. Okay, so now our data Netflix dataset analysis project is completed. So in the next video I will try to show you one project in the Power BI. Okay, so till then, please take care and please subscribe the video, like the video, share the video, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any video, you will get the notification.